Welcome back to my channel, people all over the world. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. A big shout out to all the new subscribers and all of my subscribers in there from long time. We love and appreciate you very much, very much. I hope you guys are having a fabulous starting of the new year. Today, I'm going to answer your questions. I'm going to do the Q&A. I'm going to answer all your questions. But today, it's only me alone in the video. You know, life start over back, holiday finished, Christmas break over, the kids gone back to school, Matt gone back to work, so it's just me alone. So let's get right into the question. The next thing, for the persons that asking to put subtitle or speak English in the videos, I will try my best to speak English or patois in the videos. But as for my kids and Matthew, they will continue to speak French. But what I can do is put subtitles to whatever them say. But for me, I will try my best to just speak English alone or patois. The next thing. Since when I get so, since me have so much subscribers now, I want to come up with a name instead of every minute me say you guys, because right about now I feel like I know everyone I know. We wanna pour out the love and wanna support my channel. Thank you, Mel and Ludo, one more time. They do love who's. But the way people just rush my channel and just start subscribe and support and pour in the love and happy new year and happy birthday. My birthday just passed just like a bit over 2 weeks ago, and even though you guys weren't here for my birthday, you're still watching those videos and sending happy birthday wishes to me and Alex. I just want to take the time. I want to tell you guys how much we appreciate that. We appreciate that, and just thank you. Next thing, I know you guys subscribe already. Now what I want you to do is turn on your notification bell, that each time we upload a video, you guys will be notified, so you won't miss a video. And okay, I think that's that. Let's jump right into the question, because you people ask a whole heap of questions. Most of the questions are repeated. The first question, I'm not looking at the phone, because as y'all can see, I'm a small YouTuber, so I'm using my phone to record, so I don't have the questions in front of me, but I look at them just before recording this video. So if I miss any question, I don't think I'll miss any question, by the way. Anyway, the questions you guys have been asking the most is, how long have we been married? Well, it's 9 years going on 10 years. We have been married for 9 years going on 10 years. We got married in 2000 and no, it's been 8 years going on 9 years. We have been married since 2012. We got married in 2012, February 2012, so my anniversary right around the corner. Yeah, my anniversary right around the corner. How long now since we moved to France? We moved to France in 2014. We moved to France in July of 2014. Next question. Where were my children born? Maya, she was born in France, and the other two was born in Jamaica. I guess that answers your question, who is Alex. Alex is my first child from a previous relationship. Yes, Alex is my son. They may look young and nice like we're brother and sister, but yes, Alex is my son. We get that question asked a lot of time. Is Alex your little brother? Is Alex your little brother? Even at school, everybody take me Alex in the same class. No, Alex is my son, not my brother. Alex is my son, not my brother. And yes, we were born on the same day, December 14. We share the same birthday too. Okay. Yes, and when we came to France, Jemma was only 18 months old, 17 months old, going on 18 months old. What else? How long did it took me to speak French fluently? Honestly to God, people may not speak French fluently. I have a long road to go before I consider I speaking French fluently. I'm about level B, A, B, C, D, maybe in the category C or the category D. But I mean, I consider it French, speaking French fluently. What was the culture shock when I just came to France? I have what Mr. Good name, like the top one them figure. Everybody drink. And when I say everybody, I mean everybody. Yes, maybe you have a 1 and 2 French people when I drink, but everybody drink. Drink, may I talk drink like alcoholic, but if you ask them, no, it's no, what do you mean? And then culture, and everybody drink. Everybody drink red wine, and then drink, and then I get drunk. The second culture shock is that they eat pastry in the morning for breakfast. Who does that? Yes, they eat pastry in the morning for breakfast. So that was my 2 biggest culture shock moving to France. May look different position, you know. But just remember this. Another culture shock for me when I just moved to France was, if you're working, you get smoke break at work at least 3-4 times a day. Like 10-15 minutes. You get a break if you go and smoke. Yes, you get smoke breaks at work. And even at high schools, you get smoke break. Not high school, but the school that they call lycée is high school. You get smoke break. I remember one time I go to school to pick up Alex from school, and when you look, all of the people them are run out of the school just to come outside to go and smoke. I say, look there, and I look up at them. I look up at them and them are come outside to go and smoke. You know, say that's Jamaica. And I look up at them, say Jamaica smoke. I must bad them and I hide them, I hide that smoke. And then I so brisk we come out of the come I smoke in front of big spade. Anyway, continue watch the video. Next question. When am I planning to go back to Jamaica? Any chance I get. Last year I wanted to go back for Christmas, but because of COVID, it didn't happen. But before that, we went back in 2017. In October 2017. It was my first time going back since moving to France. First and only time going back since moving to France. Somebody asked, If I will let my children try jackfruit, yes, most definitely. On our next trip going back to Jamaica, if I find jackfruit or if I remember. Have I been growing my dreadlocks? This I started growing my hair. I started growing my hair the end of 2018, October, November 2018. But this is my second set of locks. I had locks before. I had them for about 4 or 5 years. They were past bra length, going down in the back. I just wake up one morning and decide to cut them because I'm just tired of having locks. Didn't know that at that time I could have pulled them out. Or no, we started to pull them out first. But it was too hectic for me, I couldn't manage to just cut them. And I started cut them all both when I come forward the evening. I said, look here, help me cut them. And every day remind me, oh, you have nice dreadlocks and you cut them. I said, yes, will you help me to cut them? The other question is, what do I miss the most about Jamaica? Oh la 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 la. My family. The food. Me not talk no canned food, nothing. You pick ackee off of the tree, you clean it up, cook it and eat it just like that. Apple. Jamaican apple. Me couldn't when last me eat one Jamaican apple. And even going back to Jamaica, me never get none. Apple, East Indian mango. That me miss the most about Jamaica. What do I love about France? The food. The food and freedom. Yes, freedom. Because here in France, you have the freedom to do whatever you want. For example, if I was a Muslim, I have right to continue with my religion and continue on that path. Not like some countries, if you're a Muslim, once you're in their country, or you have to take off all of your ammunition. I don't remember the wrap up something there, but you have to take off all of that. But freedom, yes. Everybody equal. Another question, somebody asking, where in France are we living? We're living in the south of France. The person said that they were trying to listen to the children to see if they can catch the accent, to see here which part of France they're from. Yes, we're from the south of France. And if we are renting or we're homeowners, we are not yet homeowners, not yet. We are renting, but definitely that is something we want to do in the near future, is to buy our own home. Definitely. But for the time being, we're renting. But I guess that's it for all the questions that you have asked. We must do a Q&A sometime again in the future. I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. We love you guys. We appreciate you. And just thanks for supporting us. Thanks for pouring out the love. And we just want to give you more content, and so you guys can continue to watch us and give you guys things to laugh and smile about, so everybody can be happy. Thanks for watching, and please remember to turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell, people. Merci. Thank you. Bye. See you in another video.